What's going on, guys? So today is the day that we're going to be returning my MacBook Air that I just bought yesterday. Pretty sad. First time I've ever had a computer. I'm gonna set you down right here. Hey guys. Sorry, I'm getting in the car. Boom. Got the Air right here, ready to go. Gotta go return it. Gotta go return it. What? Dump it out? Yeah, you wanna see some dumping out right here? Watch this. So you take Steak and Shake cup, you open it up, and then you dump it out. There you go. Oh my gosh, and then you gotta throw it away. Because, you know, Haley's too lazy to do all that. But yeah, guys, so today we're gonna be taking the MacBook MacBook Air back, and possibly getting a different computer. I don't want the MacBook Pro, or I keep saying MacBook Pro. I don't want the MacBook Air. I want the Pro. The lady kind of lied. I don't know anything about computers, and she was trying to tell me that they're the same, but then I looked online after the fact, and the MacBook Pro has like the processing power, or, whoa, Haley, double the processing power as the MacBook Air. So why, for $100 more, would I not want to just get the MacBook Air, or Pro? I'm literally the worst at this. I can't wait to have a Pro, so I can just say Pro. So yeah, we're gonna do that, and then whenever we get back, Haley's gonna learn how to change her own oil, which is gonna be pretty cool. Have you never changed your oil, right?
I mean, I've watched my dad do it plenty of times, but
have you ever done it on your own?
No.
She's about to get down and dirty, guys. Right? You're gonna get down and dirty? You're gonna rub the oil all over you?
No.
But yeah, guys, so first I gotta drop these stickers I made off at my mom's place and finish uploading yesterday's video for you guys. And yeah, go get this new computer, and Haley's gonna do her own oil. Alright guys, so MacBook Air, and then now MacBook Pro. Oh yeah, baby. Look at that. We just got the Pro. Just got it, no problems, no issues. Didn't even have a receipt, and they gave it to me. Closing my door. Now, let's open this thing up and yeah, see it. Guys, for the second time in 2 days. Dang, I don't know why I didn't learn the first time. Oh no, it's bad on this one. MacBook Pro for the win on opening. And now, let's see. Hold up, it's taking forever. These boxes are so hard to open. Ugh. Haley's driving freaking crazy. Boom! It looks exactly the same, but it's completely different. So, yeah. Hella excited for this thing. Hopefully it's a lot better than the other one. But yeah, that's the new MacBook. From now on, all of the videos will be edited on this pooter. I don't know if I can ever get it back out of this little tight niche thing. But yeah, guys, we're gonna do some more shopping, and then we're gonna go home, and Haley is going to change her oil. All right, guys, so we just got done shopping. It's already pretty late, so I don't think we're gonna get to the oil today, but I'm gonna do it tomorrow, but it'll still be in the same video. So like in a few seconds, it'll be tomorrow for me. But anyways, check out this sushi we got. Oh my gosh. This is so freaking good. It is like some shrimp stuff. What is it called, Haley?
It's the fried shrimp roll.
Fried shrimp roll. Oh my gosh. The best sushi ever, honestly. Well, at least that I've had. It honestly, it's my favorite roll I've ever got. I usually like the California roll, but this one, fire. It's from Nico. If you ever are by the Mall of Georgia, it's across the street from the Mall of Georgia. It is amazing. Go check it out. It's so good. I'm actually editing yesterday's video for you guys right now on the new MacBook Pro. I actually was editing it before on the Air, but I couldn't get it edited in time for when we got to Best Buy, so I was like, okay, and I deleted it, so I'm gonna edit it again on this one and have it uploaded for you guys. I know it's gonna be a late upload for yesterday, so I'm sorry, but it's because I'm working nights, guys. It's really been messing with me, but I'm off tomorrow, which is the rest of Friday, because I'm gonna be sleeping. And then I have Friday. The Friday night is when we're pulling off these stickers, and then Saturday and Sunday to film videos. So it'll be more consistent and better timing. So yeah, guys, I will see you guys in a few seconds changing the oil. Well, Haley will be changing the oil. Ain't that right? Mm-hmm. You not have fun? Mm-hmm. She's gonna like it. Alright guys, so this is the next day in the video. That sushi was fucking bomb. I'm not gonna lie, that shit was good as hell. But it's time to change the oil in Haley's car. I'm gonna let her do it on her own. I mean, I'm gonna show her and like teach her, but I'm gonna let her do it. Pull the plug, everything. She's never done it before, so I just want her to do her own oil so I don't have to do it anymore. No, I'm just kidding. I just think it'd be funny to like teach her and like see how she feels about changing oil. So first things first, I gotta pull 300 out of the garage and then pull the Elantra in. All right, Haley, change your oil. It's like really heavy. I can't even hold it up that long. Here, change your oil. Grab it. You know how hard this is? I'm shaking.
How am I gonna grab that from you?
All right, now change your oil. Go. All right, Haley, this is how you change your oil, okay? You gotta grab the oil and dump it all over here just to oil everything up and get it all nice and lubed. So go ahead and do that real quick. What?
You're not funny.
That's what you gotta do.
You're not funny.
Alright. You actually have to like put it in this little, so you pull this out.
I know where the oil goes.
And then you put it in that little hole with a little funnel.
No, you don't.
What do you do?
You have to drain it.
And look who's under the car. He's working on changing his oil. I just gave her a little rundown. She's about to pull the plug. It will like kind of be like spraying out a little bit.
Yeah, that's why I'm putting it this way, because you
Alright.
it.
I can't see nothing, but let's see this oil start falling. Haley's changing her oil. Just drop it whenever you do it.
Drop
just
it in there?
yeah, just drop it. It's got the protector. You don't want to pull your hand away quick.
I know. That's why I'm only doing it with one finger.
Oh, I mean, that was kind of lit.
That was actually good.
Pick it up, though, and put it, like, on top of it. Right there. Yeah, put it, like, on top of the bolt head.
What?
Upside down. Put it upside down. There you go. Now look at that oil draining. All right, now come up to the top. Let me show you what you got to do. You got to take this cap off, which some people take it off before. Some people take it off during, after, whatever. This just lets it fucking suck it all out. How's it looking? Oh, Haley, it's spilling. Go under there and fix it.
Where?
Go under there and fix it.
Where
It's spilling everywhere. It's spilling out the car.
What?
It's spilling out of the car.
Shut up.
Alright, and then now we gotta do the little filter, which I don't know where that is, but we'll find it.
Really high bubbles.
I know, that's what I was thinking. Sheesh. Oh, I bet, you know, I should have pulled the freaking air cap. This is my dumbass fault. But yeah, here you go, Haley. You just learned how to change your oil almost. You're halfway done. How do you feel? How do you feel right now?
I paid money to do that? Really?
Yeah. This is what I'm telling you. You thought it was hard? And then you put it back in, put the plug back in, and then fill it back with oil.
Put my shirt down.
Pull it up?
Down?
Just kidding.
Please?
Pull it down where?
In the back.
Oh. Alright. I'll put him on the car. I'll put it on the car. Feel better?
This side.
This
Right
side?
here. I don't like when it's up.
Yeah, I feel you. Why aren't you wearing a Chill City?
I don't want to mess it up.
Hey, what do you think about the new holiday drop?
I'm excited.
You like him?
Mm-hmm.
She was the one that was like really
loved it.
enthusiastic about it.
I love it.
Where can they go find it at?
Chillzilla.com.
What? I can't hear you from all the way down there.
Chillzilla.com.
What was that? What was it? What was it called? Sorry, I didn't get it. What's
I'm
it called?
sorry that you did not get it because they know.
What's so funny is like we'll go out in public together, both wearing the Chill Cities, and everyone always asks like, who makes those?
No,
or...
yesterday we were in the mall and they said, Nice hoodies.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, literally.
He was like, nice hoodies. And then we were at the AutoZone the other day and he's like, what does chills mean? That shit looks dope. And I was like, oh, telling him about the shit and all that. So, you know, if you haven't already. Or the holiday drop is fire. I mean, I haven't seen it yet because it's basically tomorrow when I'm gonna see it. Or no, I'll see it later today is when I'll see it, but y'all will see it obviously before the video starts. So let me know what you guys think down below.
Where's the filter at?
Which one?
The one I'm gonna change.
Oh, I don't know, somewhere in your car or something. Alright guys, so we got the filter change, we got the oil out of the car, and now what do we do?
Put the oil in.
Oh yeah.
Put the car down.
You don't have to put the car down.
Well, that's what you just said.
Yeah, well.
It doesn't really matter.
Yeah. Yeah. What do you feel about changing oil now? How do you feel?
I'm mad that I paid $50 every time.
I told you.
Stupid.
And all the oil and stuff was only like $25. And it's better oil too. You upset now? Mm-hmm. Just contemplating life over there?
No.
Just trying to figure out where the window...
So what are you gonna do about the filter?
The filter's already done. Are you contemplating life, or are you trying to figure out where the blinker fluid goes? Alright, what's this?
It's windshield wiper fluid.
What's that called?
What's that?
What's that called? That's a motor mount, okay?
What?
That's a motor mount. So it mounts your motor to your frame. What's this? You don't know? That's a turbo.
Really?
Yeah, you have a little turbo on your car.
Oh, so cute.
It's
yeah,
alternator.
It's not right. I was joking with you because I know that it's not.
It's an alternator. You did not know that, did you?
I didn't know what it was, but I knew it wasn't a turbo.
Why? You said it was so cute. I thought you would be like a pretty... No, that's pretty small. But yeah, that's an alternator for your battery.
Yeah. Stupid.
Do you know what this is?
You're stupid.
Are you serious? This is intake.
Oh.
Oh, it's probably because you don't know. You probably don't realize because it doesn't have a cone on it. Little cone filter like mine. But you have a short ram, super intake cold, fluid built up system for this car, which increases the horsepower by negative 10%. All jokes aside, guys, let's fill this thing up with oil and get her on the ground. Alright guys, so for whatever reason I cannot find a filter, not anywhere in the garage, which is crazy. Funnel. I've been messing up a lot with my words on YouTube, not gonna lie, or in general, right? But anyways, I cannot find a funnel, so I'm just gonna pour it in without a funnel. And like Haley, watch. You wanna watch? You look really cold. You cold? Not even cold, she's tripping. It's because you don't have a chill hoodie on, that's why. Sorry. Oh, the chill hoodie's warmer. Ooh. Oh shit. Poor game on fleek. No, I spilled it already. Alright guys, I'm not gonna lie, I did spill a lot, but we didn't have a filter, so. But we just started it up. Sounds like it runs pretty good. Cool beans. Alright, so after all that, was it worth it or not? Would you rather pay 20 bucks or 50?
20.
Yep. You did a good job. Hand hug. Alright, I'll see you later. Bye. Her leg's in the way. Alright guys, I think that's gonna do it for today's video. If you did enjoy this video, go hit that thumbs up. As always, go subscribe, obviously. No reason why you shouldn't subscribe. And yeah guys, comment down below how you think she did, and I will see you guys tomorrow.